I'm glad I got a chance to use the Gardenquake from Orec. It went through our ground really nicely. It's been hard packed and pounded soccer players. We have a small, tiny rototiller. It won't even break this kind of ground here on these soccer fields with all this traffic. Yeah, once we got the initial till through this hard packed ground, we lowered the depth of it and it chewed through it really fast, really easy. I was very impressed with it. I hope that the city manager and all my bosses with the debt-free city that we live in can get a couple of these and we can put them to use in their parks.